Hi, now let's take a look at how to submit an assignment. First, let's scroll down and pick the Model Reference Behavior Practice. What you're going to have to do here is download this Model Reference Behavior Checklist. You're going to need 3 copies. Then you're going to have a supervisor or colleague observe you doing 3 different reference interactions with either real or pretend customers, and then use the checklist to give you feedback. Once that's done, you're going to upload the completed checklists, and then in the text box, you're going to describe what areas you would like to improve in your reference behavior. So let's go ahead and click on this assignment. Here you can see it's got the instructions. Okay. It also shows you what the rubric is. That your system mentor is going to use to judge whether your work is sufficient or not. Now you're going to click on this blue Add Submission button. Okay, you can see that this form has 2 parts. It's got a text box, and this is where you're going to put your plan for improvement, and then a file submission box, and this is where you're going to upload your Model Reference Behavior Checklist. So all you need to do is drag and drop your checklist in there and put all 3 checklists in there, and then you'll be done with that portion. And up here in the online text box, I'm going to put, I plan to use more open-ended questions, or whatever you would like as your plan. And then be sure to save the changes. So we'll click on that. All right, and you can see your file submissions are there. You would see 3 of them, and then also what you've included as your learning plan. You can also edit to your submission if you decide you don't like what you put at any time. Okay, now let's hop back, and we're going to take a look at the assignment again. And you can see, even though I've added my files and I've put my learning plan in there, I have not yet gotten a green check mark. This is because my system mentor hasn't had a chance to grade it yet. So as soon as your system mentor grades it, assuming that you did everything correctly, you'll see a green check mark in here. If you don't see a green check mark within about a week, then go to OpenGrader and check on this assignment, and your system mentor may have left you some suggestions for additional information that you'll need to provide in order for the system mentor to grade your work. So don't worry if you don't see a green check mark right away, but if you don't see one within a week, check OpenGrader. Thanks.